YouTube, it's your Ace Canal Super. Back with another one. You know the vibe. Back with it. You already know when I got this shirt on, you already know what time it is, bro. Sis, you already know what time it is, yo. Time to get that work in. Like I say, like, this is a journey, so I try to figure out what's the best, like, method as far as exercising. And I say that to say, like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to make it easier for myself, for real. If I just work on arms, I gotta just stretch arms. If I work on arms and legs, I gotta stretch arms and legs. And sometimes I don't always discipline myself to do the full 20 to 30 seconds, because I just was doing research, and when you stretching like more so colder muscles, you know, stretching, 5 to 10, maybe 15 seconds, but when your muscles are warm and all that, you just got an intense workout. Let's start at third. Gotta hit the 20 to 30. If I'm not gonna be willing to do that, which I know how I am sometimes, I'm not gonna do every single muscle, you know what I mean? So I just feel like it's healthy for the journey, trying new things, just seeing how things work for you. But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym because I could do muscle ups at the gym. Can't do muscle ups like at home. And it's hot as bricks out here. I'm not finna do muscle ups outside. You feel me? So yeah, without further ado, what we got on the menu is chin ups, everything weighted except for the archer pull-ups and muscle ups. So chin ups, regular pull-ups where you see me doing them like this. Last week, archer pull-ups and muscle ups. Not really particularly in that order, but you know the vibe. I pretty much do it how I feel as though I want to. I mean, it's my exercise, right? But now, y'all, today gonna be a blessing, man. Today definitely gonna be a blessing. Today is already a blessing. I mean, it's Father's Day, right? My son isn't already born yet. I mean, my wife's son isn't born already, but I'm just taking in, the Father's Day love. You know what I mean? Just taking it in, like, yo, I'm about to be a father for real, and it's a beautiful thing, to be honest. Let me stop yapping, man. Got some errands to run after the workout, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there, man. Sir, about to get that working. Like I said, I already told y'all what workout. Already told y'all what I got going on, so ain't really much talking I gotta do for real. Getting right into it. Shout out to my mother, man. She used to buy them joints for us all the time. What's good, y'all? So as I said, I'm gonna start with the muscle ups, and this is a different area. You're gonna see me switch back to my regular area that I do muscle ups. I only wanted to go over here just because I seen there's like a little platform, whatever you call it, so I could just step up on, and instead of having to get up on a bar, I just step up on there and do that. But I moved back because the wall was right here for one, so I couldn't really get that momentum. And also, can't really see myself in the mirror doing it. Can't really see my camera, so. But this is my first set, though. I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like that area because I can't really swing. And also, I can't really see my camera from the mirror. I'm a little paranoid. I feel like somebody might steal my shit, so. Can't see behind me, so right here, everything that's going on. So Yo, so what you'll see me doing here is chin-ups, weighted chin-ups with a 25-pound, you know what I'm saying, free weight, you know what I mean? My goal was to do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20. Then I realized, you know what I'm saying, let me just shoot for a rep range, you know what I'm saying, because I don't usually do this. And just because I wanted to be honest. So I think I shot for 35 reps, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, of course, you see me trying to focus on, you know, smooth time under tension reps at first. And then sometimes what I do when I start to really feel it and the pull-ups start to get difficult, I start trying to just bust them out or, you know what I'm saying, rep them out. But yeah, this is kind of where I really felt the, you know what I'm saying, fatigue starting to set in.
So I'm trying to do a mixture of like, that time out of tension, but also still trying to get the 20. The rep range is 12 to 20 reps. I'm trying to still get to that, but it's going to be definitely difficult for sure.
So I definitely got to do these more, for sure. You know, I definitely got to incorporate these more. So this is basically just me talking about how the rest of my workout, archer pull-ups and regular pull-ups, weighted, and basically how, man, my arms already felt fatigued. You know, I was literally, my arms are shaking based off of those just 2 exercises, muscle-ups and then those chin-ups. You know what I mean? Simple exercises, but incorporating time and attention, you'll really feel that pump. You really don't have to do 15 different exercises. So again, like I said, after that first set, that's when I realized, yeah, I think it might be better to reach toward a rep range goal. So yeah, instead of doing the chin-ups, I went ahead and did it with the regular pull-ups. So I went and reached for a pull-ups goal, 35 pull-ups. With the chin-ups, I believe I still did 4 sets. 4 sets of 8 to 12, relatively, you know what I mean? Because I really could only muster, for the last 2 sets, 8. But yeah, with this, as you see, like, I was struggling with it. So I got to make sure I do these more and add it consistently to my regimen.
might switch it with front progression, front level progression, because my arms already fatigued. I'm not sure, do I gotta push back this fatigue to get to another level, or do I stop now, let myself go, and then by the next time I do it, I'll be at another level. So I'm trying to figure out when it comes up. What's it doing? If I do it like this, like regularly, you probably hit it hard with like pull-ups, probably twice a week for real. Maybe once a week. Because you gotta think I still got the back muscles to do, triceps, push-ups, chest, on top of that legs, squats, back and recovery days. I'm looking at right now doing recovery days, Tuesday, Thursday, twice a week. I don't have a specific the arms. Usually just 2 or 3 times a week. So, see if I can finish that. Just finished the exercise. I'm thinking about doing some more as far as like abs, but my arms is pumped up. I did muscle ups, chin ups. Damn, that's it. Only the muscle ups and chin ups. And I'm already like, you know what I mean? Might do a little bit extra out here, just to get a different scenery and just to, get that extra work in for real, but maybe. Big maybe. I'm already walking toward it, so it's looking like most likely. The only thing that would really stop me is it being hot as bricks out here and my arm being fatigued. I mean, like I say, like, I'm still doing my own research, but from what I'm gathering, doing more equals less, you feel me? Like, it could deplete your gains, you feel me? And my goal is get a stronger back, like stronger, and gain more muscle for it. That's really my main goals. And I think I'm attacking that the right way. I just wanna make sure I'm not doing too much that I don't have to do, you feel me? But nah, I'm definitely at the bars right here, so finna get some ab work in and then I'm gonna call it. bluffing on the bars. Now I'm bluffing on the bars. So also more time under tension work. Because I'm holding it right here while I'm doing these. Leg raise is 2 seconds. I'm ready to try to find it. Hell yeah. That's all she wrote, man. Man, where did I park that? Look, I forgot where I parked that. But yeah, man. Like I say, just trying to showcase the, for lack of a better word, showcase the journey on my head. You feel me? And not only allow y'all to see my progress, but, you know, for myself, you know, looking back. You know, my son, maybe in the future, watch these videos like, dang, Pops is getting to it. You know what I mean? Like, just to inspire for real, like, turn on that spark for real. But if you like the video, man, like, comment. Most importantly, subscribe. Definitely get me in the algorithm. You feel me? Trying to grow, trying to make the channel go up. Posting shorts every 1 to 2 days. And posting like new videos every 4 to 5 days in a week. So definitely trying to stay consistent. But yeah, man, other than that, do what works for you. Do your own research. Hey, y'all stay blessed, man.